How to create an AI video in Canva using a simple text prompt. First, open Canva and sign into your account. You can use the free version of Canva for this feature if it's available on your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Video. You can choose a standard video size, such as 1920 by 1080. Once your video editor opens, look at the panel on the left and scroll down to Apps. Find Magic Media, or use the search bar and type Magic Media. Click on Magic Media, then select Video. Here, you'll see a text box where you can describe the video you want Canva to generate. For example, you could enter a prompt like, a person walking through a deep green jungle, POV view, tropical environment, realistic cinematic style. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate Video. Canva will process your prompt and create an AI-generated video. When the video is ready, you can preview it. If you're not happy with the result, you can generate another version using a different or more detailed prompt. If you like the result, simply click or drag the generated video onto your Canva timeline. You can then resize it, position it, and continue editing your project by adding text, music, transitions, or other elements. That's how you can create an AI video in Canva using a text prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva AI tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.